Today I'm going to show you how to use the Grammarly extension in Chrome, step by step, so you can start writing with better grammar, clearer sentences, and fewer spelling mistakes in minutes. If you write emails, documents, posts, or messages in your browser, this is one of the easiest tools you can add to your workflow. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search bar and type Grammarly. You should see the official Grammarly extension in the results. Click on it to open the extension page, then select Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add Extension to finish the process. After the extension installs, Grammarly may open an activation page or prompt you to sign in. Go ahead and log in with your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, use your email and password or your connected login method. If you don't have one yet, you may need to create an account first before you can fully activate the extension. Once you're signed in, Grammarly will connect to Chrome and prepare to help you across websites where you type. Now that Grammarly is installed, the next thing you should do is pin it for quick access. In the top right corner of Chrome, click the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. This opens a list of all your installed extensions. Find Grammarly in that list, then click the pin icon next to it. Once you do that, the Grammarly logo will stay visible on your top toolbar, making it much easier to access whenever you need it. Pinning it is a small step, but it makes a big difference because you won't have to keep searching through your extensions every time you want to check settings or manage the tool. If you use Grammarly often, this keeps everything fast and convenient. Now let's talk about how to actually use it where you write. Grammarly works on many websites where text input is supported, including Gmail, Google Docs, LinkedIn, and plenty of other places around the web. Open any site where you want to type something, then click inside a text box or writing field and start entering your text. As soon as Grammarly detects that you're typing, it may show a floating icon in the bottom right corner of the page. That icon is your quick access to Grammarly suggestions and writing help. If you see words underlined in red, that usually means Grammarly has detected a spelling or grammar issue. To fix it, hover your mouse over the underlined word and a suggestion card will appear. Then click the correct suggestion and Grammarly will apply it instantly. This makes editing much faster because you don't need to manually search for mistakes. Grammarly highlights what needs attention and gives you a simple one-click fix. You can use it while writing emails, drafting posts, replying to messages, or polishing documents before you send them. If Grammarly suggests a better phrase, clearer wording, or a corrected spelling, take a moment to review it before accepting. The goal is not just to change words automatically, but to help you write with more confidence and accuracy. That's what makes Grammarly so useful for everyday writing. And that's the basic setup and use of Grammarly in Chrome. You've installed the extension, pinned it for easy access, and learned how to use it directly on websites while you write. Once you get used to it, it becomes a very natural part of your browser workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.